Hello and welcome to the next tutorial. This one is going to be more advanced, so by now you should have learned the fundamental tricks, which are the Thumbaround, charge, twisted sonic and finger pass. So today we are going to learn a trick called Thumbaround reverse. It looks like this. Let me show that again. So the way you perform this trick is you grab the pen as you normally would, as you're going to write with it. So the center of balance, represented by this dark color here, is right on the index finger, and you are going to push with your index finger backwards. And after you push the pen, you're going to let it spin around the thumb, like this. And then the only thing left to do is to catch it. So step one, the starting position should be this one. Center of balance of the pen right on the index finger. That's the easiest way to do it. Next, you're going to push the pen with your index finger clockwise direction. In the beginning, you will struggle probably, so you might not create enough force, which looks like that, or you will create too much force, which looks like this. So when you find the right force to push the pen with, it will look something like this. And then the only thing left to do is to catch the pen. And this is how you catch the pen. So you will just open and then close at the right moment. I will add the slow motion here so you can see better. It's not hard at all. If you know 4 fundamental tricks, you should be able to learn this one in like 15 minutes probably. So the pen ends up exactly in the same spot after the trick is performed. So you can see here that the red color is on top and the blue color is the right color. So after I perform the trick, the red color comes back top again. So you are not confused about what's happening here. So it's the 360 degrees turn around the thumb in reverse. Thank you for watching. I am trying to make a comprehensive playlist for beginner pen spinners to learn how to pen spin. So the order of videos in this playlist is by design. There's a way you should learn to pen spin, and that way is usually the Thumbaround, then the charge, then the sonic, then the finger pass. Right after that, so those are the 4 fundamental tricks. Right after that, you can start learning the more advanced tricks that I also have tutorials on. And the first one, in my opinion, is actually this one that you are watching right now. So it's the Thumbaround reverse. That will connect well in the combos that I'm soon going to make tutorials of. And this is also an intro into the next trick, which is called the Thumbaround harmonic. So it looks like this. And to do the Thumbaround harmonic, you actually need to learn the Thumbaround and then the Thumbaround reverse. And when you combine them, which I will make the tutorial on how you combine them, you get the Thumbaround harmonic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this. I'm really trying to make high quality videos for the beginner pen spinners, because when I was starting to pen spin, that was even before YouTube, so there was no quality videos to learn from. I hope I helped someone, and please share, like, subscribe. Thank you.